Hi, what is up, everyone? Welcome back. Today, I want to show you guys how you can. I'm gonna first of all, I'm gonna want try speak out as loud as I can so you guys can understand uh, me much better. So, what we're going to do today, we're going to cover a lot of topics today in one video. So first of all, the first thing that we should need to do, and what this video is all about, is all about element 3D and how you can install it on your computer, how you can fix the common issues from element 3D, and how you can install the license file and so on and so forth. I already got this installed on my computer, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to reset everything and start from top. Okay, so I'm going to, first thing, I want to go to where I installed this file, and I'm going to make sure that I delete it so I can reinstall it from top. Right, so I actually installed this video pilot on After Effects 2015. Whichever version that you're using is still good, not bad. So I'm on the folder right now. I'm going to delete this one. Once I hit delete, it is gone. Right, so it's gone, and let me empty my trash to make sure everything has been deleted. There is another thing I actually did, because I'm using normal Intel HD graphics for my laptop, right? So one thing I want to show you guys right now is common error that you guys will get if you install in this program. Okay, so sorry, you go to Windows and you go to System 32, this file, and I actually place something right here, and this is actually, what is it OPQ. All right, should be somewhere around here. Sorry, I want to show you guys something, so you should be patient with me a little bit. So, whoops, the P is many. Okay, let me just go to, all right, I'm there. It's okay, this is the file that I just paste here, opencl.dll. This file is really important. You might have opencl.dll in your computer, and it might not work for you, except you get another version of opencl.dll from the internet, from someone that, or from the computer that already have it working already. Okay, for example, if you want to open this one, you should see a lot of difference. What am I gonna use? For example, let me use Notepad to open this thing, and you should see a lot of stuff right inside. So this thing inside here, they might maybe be different. Okay, coming. Okay, like I was saying, sorry, this is right here might be different from what the version of OpenCL.dll file that you already have in your computer. And what you need to do is just to figure out a way, in case you're having difficulties installing or using element 3D. That's why I'm showing you this process. If not, if you don't have problem with that, you just install element 3D on your computer and it works for you, fine, just go ahead and use it. So for those of you who encounter problem using this stuff, this is a common solution to it. Just get this one and install it in your local drive C, Windows, and System 32. So here we go. So I already have it in my computer. I want to install it from top. Okay, so this is E3D. I have version for Mac and I have version for Windows. Okay, so this is the version of OpenCL that I already have. I downloaded it somewhere. I already have this on my computer, and let me go ahead and install this one. You should run as an administrator. So while wait for it to load, make sure you watch this full video because it's really important for those of you who encounter some error. Because I'm installing this one, definitely I should have 1 or 2 errors. I'm going to fix it. Believe me, I don't even know how to fix this, but as a computer guru, I can do anything that I want to do. Okay, so yeah, so just uncheck this one and custom browse. If you're using After Effects 2014, 2015, 2017, 2018 or 19, whatever version of After Effects you're using, you need to locate the installation folder and hit the menu. Just look at drive C. Mine is program files, Adobe, and this is the one I'm using, Adobe version, After Effects version 2015. Okay, so that's the one I'm using. From there you go to plugins, and right on plugins. I think it's on do you need to go to no, just put it on plugins. That should be fine. Okay, so here we go. Just leave this one on your document and hit next. Yeah, so the installation, it has started. So the next thing that we need to do, just be patient and wait for this one. Let's wait for it to get installed. While we wait for the installation, just feel free to hit the subscription button on this YouTube channel because it is really important to me, and that will enable me to that will motivate me to run more tutorials. I want you to hit the subscription button and like this video if it helped you a lot. When you subscribe, put on a comment below whatever issue you're having, and I'm going to, if I see subscription, a very impressive subscription from this video, I'm going to make it important to always be available to respond to your comment. So right now the installation has finished, so just close it out. And the next thing that you're going to want to do is to make sure that it is actually running on After Effects, and you should open After Effects to make sure to confirm that it's actually running. So like I was saying, while we wait for my computer is a little bit slow because I'm running. That's why this video is a little bit, it's taking a while. So let me show you properties of my computer because no, this is not what I want to say. Properties. As you can see, I'm running on Windows 10 and I have 4 GB RAM in my computer, and the operating type is 64-bit operating system, x64-base processor. No pen or touch inputs are available for this display, and I'm running on a Core i7 CPU, M620 2.67 GHz. Okay, so that is it, and I'm managing my computer to do my graphics work. So yeah, the project, the After Effect is on right now. After Effect is on right now. So what we're gonna want to do right now is to make sure that we really have a video compiler installed in our computer. Uh, just go create a composition and hit OK. I don't need this one for now. And hit OK. What up? Why this not responding? Okay, so hit OK and create new solid. Hit OK and go to effects. You should see video copilot element. That means it is installed. So let's see if it's actually working for us or not. So element failed to initialize OpenGL. This error is common. Failed to initialize OpenGL. This error is common, and there is another one that people used to have, element.aex failed to load. So when you get this one, the reason why this is happening is because my I'm not using, I don't have any compatible graphic cards on my computer. This is my personal computer. I already have my computer at the office. The one I used to do my job. So right now you need to. This is my graphics card, Intel RHD graphics. So I'm not running on a compatible GL. So this one is okay. So hit OK if you're having this error. So right now it is time to generate the license. So let's close out of this one and make sure you shut down everything. Go. You need to close this one. Don't save anything because you're not yet working. So yeah, so how do you start the crack? You start the crack by you start cracking by copying. Let's go to quick access to get everything. So open file location. So you first, before you copy this one, okay, just copy both of them. So it depends on where you get your VC downloaded area. So you need to go to Video Compiler to get these elements, to get these crack files, or you can figure out how you can get it from friends or whatever. So what you need to do right now is to go to the installation folder of Video Copilot and paste these things right there. Program files, Adobe 2015 sub files, and you go to plugins, right? That's right. That's fine. Video Copilot, and come over here and paste these two files right there. That should work. Continue again. So you already have these two files right there in Video Copilot from this crack folder. So what you need to do right now is to go back and open After Effects. This should take a little bit of time to load because so yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and put on the comment below whatever kind of difficulties you're having so I can respond as soon as quick as I can, because if I see impressive subscribers count and impressive like count, I'll always be around this video on YouTube to monitor the progress, how it's going. So yeah, so when you get here, just create new composition. So let's check it out to make sure everything's working. So okay, you already have this error. Wow. So did you see how it works? It worked fine.